Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect IC markets to TradingView in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to come here on the official website of tradingview.com. Over here on this particular page, simply use the search bar on the top. Now here, you just have to launch any of the charts in front of you. You can also launch the chart by typing the symbol of that particular currency or that particular forex pair here in the search bar on the top. So let's say I want to launch the chart of gold. So I'm going to be clicking on the launch chart option right next to it. So once you have opened the chart in front of you, on this particular page, click on the option of trading panel in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. Now, when you see this type of list of brokers in front of you, click on the option of show all brokers. Now, it will show you the list of all of the brokers which can be easily connected with TradingView. So here in this particular list, we need to look for IC markets. You can also use the search bar on the top right hand corner of the screen. Then you just have to simply search for IC markets. So when you search for it, if you are able to find its icon over here, it means that you can easily connect it with your TradingView account. So simply click on it once. Then it will ask whether you want to connect the account of IC Markets AU, and IC Markets EU. So if you are from Australia, simply select the option of this particular tab. If you are from Europe, select this particular option. If you are from any other countries, simply click on the option of IC Markets, then click on the option of Connect. Now it is going to redirect you here in a new tab, basically on the official website of icmarkets.com, as you can see here on the top. So over here, simply provide your email address and your password associated with your IC Markets global account. Then click on the option of login. Afterwards, it may ask you for the authentication or authorization. So you just have to authenticate it. And this way you will be able to connect your IC Markets account with TradingView. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.